Is that a good place for it? Now, my other hand. Up and over. How to throw pink lemonade bottle things. And trust me, you will use this skill later in life. Woo, get it all shaken up. Now it looks like white lemonade. Okay. Lemonade. Oh. Kicks up lemonade, the kicks up lemonade. I'd be in so much pain if I was just pink lemonade. Here we go, one more time. One more time. Oh! Did I get that on video? Did I get that on video? I got stuck in the fence. Look at that. This is my second time doing that. Whew. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look how stuck in there it is. Whoa. 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 Okay. That is pretty cool. See you later. Yeah. Bye, YouTube.